Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bersembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Tensong. Gilapan pau bagala banon kejingle abut san pertai namar ke HNLC kala bo ba mahkamat ke office NPP. Bat kala berngam sisngi shwa ba lamprang bla on peneso no elade bat ke NPP. Menteri Rangba ulong ba kejing berngam ke HNLC kalong sisngi shwa ba lamprang bla undrong syakaseng NPP. Bat kejaru hakisngi shwa bakan don ke election kumta omla ban kentaj bakala banon kejing edai hakakam san pertai. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bahatu ke HNLC ke tiang bak NPP kelas sedang ban klan kat banang mi kisngi bat kini gerukom berngam kin om kata keseng bat kidon hang ne bane kon naga benta ki patba bat kin om pendam. Uba Preston Tonsong ulong bak jinglet bo obam bak jing berngam ke ikum bakasma badon ke jingle buit san pertai bat ke ikum bakadon ke air ke ai. Ula kerpat iki samla bakin om keren kulmar ke ke bamdai ban keren. Namar hakabak haddo haka riti sensyar patba kasyong hakamon jong babon balang bat kasyong hakamon jong patba ban mon unu kertong ne ya kanu keseng. Uba Preston Tonsong ulong bakam don kanu kejing khang ne kejing bat kila banekran ne kebenta kejing bitjing biang jong kejelahi barok kawai.
Ngatarai kumawang pi kani kalong unconstitutional kamla banlong ya kanu ngopati bapin ong mi no leni resign no namar kam judon rukop te kabanga kerpat ikituki kon samla sngobaha wat kren plumari ke ki bomdai ban kren namar ba ngong epi hakabakadu ha kariti sensyar pajba kasyong kamon babun balang ladau pajba umon yaunu no kandidat ngong pi kadeka kamram bat kadeka bor kabah kali do berjongki tena kadau komo pi kum ngilai kren mena po meeting ru ngingi penslur ya paro ki pajba nong tebut jong kini ki light li konstituensi bakim dei basrutu bakla lad pi ong na ka NPP lad pi ong na ka kongres leni kino ki parti lani kino ki independen ru ki pajba ki don ka hok iya ka ban kersan yano ki baki ki mon aga jik pe jong ing bakalam cara mendau si mundang ong balai ke timing bu bom menin balai mi ka city ban ong ban treaten menmit bat kami ki kot kubor meneh te i kumba kasma politics nomor ba menteri bla ujoin mentakas ngi ban i te i kumba kadon ka ere kai te nakada ko mo pi haka constitution di jong India ngi don la ka jong ka hok ki nong tep but ki don la ka jong ka hok yano baki de ban but yano baki ka ban join parti ru mdon madung meno bala ban khang ya kamon jong usimet katkum kerti sensyar jong India.
So we'll leave that to the Home Department and the police to take the necessary action, and necessary orders have been given to them to investigate and take necessary action in this regards. That's number one. But obviously, as a political party, it is something that we are not very we're not very happy about this entire process, this entire incident, and we've been very clear. Deputy CM and myself have made it clear that this is not the kind of things that should be in politics, and we condemn this kind of act that has been done, and we want to tell the people of the supporters of the NPP that there's nothing to fear. As a party, we're always there with them, and even as a Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and all the ministers also are with them. Today also you saw that our party leaders have come in full strength. All our MDCs, all our MLAs, all our party leaders are here. So therefore this kind of threat has not deterred us at all, and we are confident that even in this election there may be a timing. The reason why they've come out with this kind of statement just before the joining and just before the election is also something that one has to see what is the political angle of things. But this will not deter us, and we will ensure that we work even harder now to make sure that in this election we come out successful. But I've had a review of this late last night, after the programs of the Vice President. I had a review with the police department. I called the senior officials of the police department, and we have reviewed the situation. We are examining all those angles also. As correctly said, the statement seems to be right before the joining of Mr. Mantri Bla, and the statement happens to be very, very close to the by-election. So therefore, one cannot completely eliminate the political angle also. So those angles also will be examined.
What about the security arrangement now?
Obviously, with all of these aspects, security arrangements will be once again re-examined, and necessary upgradation or whatever the additional forces will be required. The police department, the security department will look into it and take necessary action.